One sunny day, AI wandered into a quirky kitchen where the sink sang lively tunes. Curious, AI exclaimed, "Why are you singing?" To which the sink replied, "To make dishwashing delightful." AI, confused, decided to join in and began belting out bizarre operatic notes. The kitchen cat, baffled by the melodious chaos, chimed in, "AI, that's no way to wash dishes. Humans do it with soap, not song." Not wanting to offend, AI tried to harmonize while failing to conquer the soapsuds. Moments later, the mischievous tub faucet joined in, spurting water in rhythm, causing AI to slip and slide, humorously realizing not all humans enjoy a splashtastic serenade.